Wow, what a beautiful day to fish. Oh, hi, fellow neighbor.
Hello. What are you fishing for?
I'm fishing for a huge fish. I want one of those salmon.
Those are pretty tasty, I heard.
Yeah. I need to throw it a little farther.
It seems to be your first time fishing.
Oh, looks like I'm catching something. Yeah, it's my first time fishing. Do I know if a fish is coming?
If your rod starts getting tighter, that means a fish is on it. What'd you get? Hey! Stupid birds.
People.
Birds these days, man. Am I right? Since we're out in the ocean, we gotta be ready for a lot of seagulls. Got metal. Keep that. Are they so cut? That's I know.
I'm gonna go ahead and try and cast it again.
Still in the house. That's like night and we need some sleep.
How do I cast it?
Just on the house. Just need some sleep. It's at midnight.
Alright, well, let's take a nap.
On the TV.
Oh, no.
Someone's staring at us.
I'm gonna have a little drink real quick.
Alright.
Yummy apple juice. Oh,
Well,
let's go ahead and sleep.
see you in the morning. Yeah, that's old. Hey, you're awake. Say, you wanna go down by the cabin to get some supplies? We are trying to run low. Let's go.
Oh man. That barrel was empty. It won't cause anything.
Yeah, but it was my favorite.
Yeah. We could get that barrel after.
Yeah, after
Oh,
What are those?
I don't know.
Should we open it again?
Yeah, maybe they're gone. Wait, check through the window. They're still there.
Hey guys, what's up?
Just quickly grab the supplies and run. Maybe
Oh,
there's another storage shed.
that's our only
Do you
storage
hear
shed. Behind you, zombie, it died out. It died out, it's right behind you. Don't look. Dude, watch out!
You're making me mad.
Oh, you got hit.
Oh,
Well, what's the
I'll-
last one?
I'll be fine.
What is the last one?
Yeah, I'm mad.
Are you? So you're okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay.
The door got
What is
locked.
that?
Huh?
What is that? Hello?
Oh, I wouldn't go near that.
Hello? Ugh!
Hey!
Ow!
Hey, you're being mean. Oh.
Now this thing's really making me mad also.
I'm just gonna try and get some food, I guess.
Well,
See if I can actually get fish this time.
I'm gonna go grab a snack real quick, okay?
Alright, I'm gonna continue trying to get fish. I think I got fish. Oh, it looks like my hook got stuck. Oh, I don't got anything. Oh, let's see what we get. Hopefully that. You know what? Ah! 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 Open the door!
Huh?
Open the
What?
door!
What?
This is a zombie! This is a zombie!
Well, I'll grab my hammer then. Well, they're rotating, I guess.
I'll move these chairs.
Is there
I
any other
can't really.
entrances I can get through?
Right here, it's a broken window. Where?
Right here. Should I press it?
I wouldn't.
Oh, it's a light.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Thought there's gonna be
Well, at
something
least
crazy
we
here.
know. We can see.
I brought a little bit of our door to.
What do you see?
It's
He's
still
still there.
What is there right now? Ah, you probably can't even. Didn't. Is it able to get in here?
I don't know.
We need to scavenge for tools though.
I'll let just stay
I
up
think I
here.
have a
We'll be
weapon.
fine.
My weapon is a glass. If maybe I'll do anything.
No, that's definitely not doing anything.
Well, you know, its
Wait a
weakness to be glass.
I forgot.
Nope.
I went to get food a while ago. This is what I got.
Nice.
Oh, there's one under the table. Let me grab that.
I wanna eat.
Alright.
We should probably. We probably need to kill that thing somehow, though.
I'll need a hot burger.
Hey, wait!
real
I just
quick.
remembered we have guns in our shed,
We need to get there.
but that's blocking the way.
Who says we need to take the dock?
I was about to say we need to swim. Take that, loser!
Oh, he's mad. Okay, let's do this.
Let's hurry up
quick.
and get our gun. We didn't have to. Okay, I found.
Oh, there's some guns under the bed.
I found a few shotguns here.
I found a shotgun, an SMG, and a Magnum.
I found a shotgun. You wanna go take that thing out now?
Yeah.
Come here, you idiot! Why aren't you using your SMG or shotgun?
It's a little strong. I'm out of ammo.
I got it! Should we loot him? See what he has?
This
He has a
weird
tar!
substance. Oh, dang. Wait, what else does he have? Wait, what is in his leg?
What is it?
Is that? I see it's Male 07's beatbox. It's way too powerful. We'll die. Well, but let's use that car we've
Wait, I just heard something. Where just fell? Oh my God, that's Gordon Freeman's crowbar!
Jeez. Hold on. What else does it have? Is that? No way.
What? No way. Wait. How does that thing work?
I don't know. It says click to spawn video game. I guess I'll spawn it. Let me just pick a video game to spawn. Oh, interesting. It's huge. I guess I'll spawn it over here.
Our mate sir is dead, okay?
Alright. Oh, interesting. Look, it's actually a video game.
What? Let me see. When was game release?
I don't know.
1 year ago,
I don't
1997.
even wait. This game never was out yet. I guess the airline, that little creature thingy, had it stored in its stomach.
Wait, what the? Wait, the game is in real life.
What?
Wait, we can have infinite bombs with this.
Yeah.
Spawn some more bombs. I'll put them in our storage.
Yeah. I'll get some bombs. I'll get some bombs.
All right, I got it in the storage.
All right. I'll spawn some more bombs.
Are you actually? Can you move that closer, like to maybe like over there or something?
I don't think I'll be able to.
Can you delete it?
I'd have to do something.
Try removing
Yeah,
it.
Let's press this button. Oh, wow. Let's press 2 so we can.
Some more bombs.
Yep. Then, well, I guess I'll just go and explore. I wonder what's over here. Oh, look. It's some balloon. I guess I'll pick that up.
Oh, finally.
Oh. How are you doing?
I found all the bombs in there. I cannot tell you how heavy that was, trust me.
Okay.
Here, look for yourself.
Wow.
Yep.
No, I'm gonna go ahead and get some fish.
That's like, yeah, I am kind of hungry. I've maybe got enough fish. I mean, it's been 2 hours for catching fish. I've maybe got plenty of fish, right?
Yeah.
What the?
Isn't that alien, but it's green this time? Oh no, it's glowing!
Run!
I think we should get in the house, get in the house, get in the house.
Probably the only smart thing I heard you say today.
Excuse me?
Oh, they just get in. It was a joke.
Open it! I'll close it, I'll close it.
We have to turn off the light so it won't know we're here.
I can't close the door. I'm trying.
Okay, just it closes. It's an automatic door. It closes on itself. Okay, we have to go over here.
I'm hiding
safe at the
in
bar.
this area. I'm out of sight, so I'm
So
gonna,
we just did some sleep.
I don't know. I'm just gonna hide right here.
Let's did some sleep. It's probably best recommended. Tomorrow we can build a raft and get out of this island. Sell it to someone else. Alright, good night.
Good night.
Well, see if it's still there.
Interesting, the chair. Still there? I heard some.
Oh, yep, it's still
It's
there.
still here.
We need to hurry up and make the raft then.
Alright, there's some supplies in the shed. We just have to. Nope, nope. Oh!
The bombs are on the set. We have to throw the bombs at it while it's charging. I think that will make the bombs explode. Get them to charge at me.
You
Get
throw
them to charge
the
at me.
bombs at them, and then I'll shoot the
Bomb.
gun.
Or all they have to charge at the bomb. Nope, didn't work. You shoot the bombs. You shoot the bombs.
I'm frozen
Why?
in fear.
Yes! I got him to blow up one. Okay, now another. I'm getting him to blow up these bombs. blades are still intact. Should be fine. Oh my god. Hello? Where are you? Are you there? Are you on the roof again? Uh, no, you're not on the roof. What? Are you in the water? No. Are you okay? No, let's put you back on solar. It's still over here now. And that is episode 1 complete.
Yes.
Episode 1.
Now we just have to edit it.
Yep.